So I thought I'd just run you through a process of how I created this video. I went on to Ben Marriott's current tutorial with a fridge animating a skull. I loved it so much I wanted to see if I can recreate it in 3D. So you have created some 3D models of the food that will be coming out the fridge. Apples and waffles. Lots of love put in every single model. And chicken. And a lemon. Yeah, lots of detail in the top there. Some hot sauce. And the skull, that took me a lot longer than anticipated, but it was cool to make. And a fridge. Yes, I know Ben's one is a lot rounder. And this one is some UV mapping that's required to put on the 3D models so that I can texturize them so that the textures don't come out all distorted but smoothly on each 3D model. It's quite a timely process, but well rewarding. Lemon, even on the sausage. And the fridge. And then some of the textures inside of Photoshop. Once I've painted them inside of Photoshop, I will then put them back onto the 3D model. Yep, that's the skull. The starry sky that I drew. A waffle. An apple, weirdly enough, I had to put in 4 slices. And a banana. This was the beginning of my journey into 3D food illustrations. Then showing the textures on the 3D models. Back inside of Cinema 4D. Super happy with that apple. A yummy waffle. And pizza. Yes, there's only pepperoni. And chicken. Lemon. Some Tabasco sauce. And a skull. Even with a moving jawbone. And a fridge. Ready to open both top and bottom, even though I only animated the top. There was room anyway, so I might as well show you. And then animated. So I use dynamics to make all the food fly at the fridge. And check around some of the model over here. What was very nice that I was quite happy with is the way I managed to get the egg to bounce off the fridge. So if we zoom in a little bit closer here, you watch how the egg bounces off the fridge and then onto the chicken leg and then back into the sky again. Watch that egg bump, bump, and up into the air. And all those lovely keyframes and curves that I had to animate. I know, quite scary, right? Get the